Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to transform this old zombie doll head into a little planter for my cute little plants. So I scrubbed her nice and clean, got off as much crud as I could, and I opened up the top to fit the small container that I'm going to use. I also had to reinsert her eye. This is the little container. It is actually a recycled rice container from microwave rice, and it fits perfectly around my little planter. I'm going to start with brushing her hair, and I'm going to get it separated out, and I'm going to create small little curls. I almost feel as though I'm giving her a perm. Use a little hot glue here to secure it in place. Then I'll go ahead and do the rest of her hair. All right, here she is, all nice and glued up. Now I'm just going to secure the paper to the head just a little bit more. The paper will soften with the watered down glue mixture, and I'll be able to shape it a little bit more and flatten it slightly as well. Now that she's all dry, we're going to put a layer over the entire thing so that the paint has something to stick to. I started out with trying the brown paper, but those did not really work very well, and instead I decided to use toilet paper. Using a watered down glue mixture, I'm just simply dabbing it. After I let it dry, this is what it looks like, and so now I'm going to just glue in the container. Now I'm just going to start applying a second layer, but I want to also incorporate the container so that it looks smooth and cohesive. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy this kind of content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks again, everyone. Now it's time to make the decorations with some air mold clay. I had these chocolate molds, and I really like the rose formation, so I'm going to fill all of them up a few times and make several of them, but I had to wait overnight in between each one because they do get a little stuck to the bottom. These roses are going to act as her curls, and I'm going to glue them all around her head. Now I'm going to take some rope and weave that in between all of the roses so that it represents her hair. Now it's time to transform her into a stone statue. I had some leftover paint, which was a dark gray, and also a lighter gray. So these are perfect for making a faux stone paint technique. You want to start with the darker color first to create the shadows underneath, and then sponge over the dark to create highlights. After I let that dry, I'm taking a dry brush and I'm creating even more highlights with just some white paint on the very tips of the bristles. This will simulate more of a natural wear of a stone. Now I need a base, so I decided to just take some leftover cardboard and create just a small little circle base. I had just enough rope left over to cover the base, and then I'm just going to paint it the exact same way. Here she is, fully transformed from a zombie doll head to a stone goddess. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.